Hello. In today's video, we will be discussing Ring Hush for tinnitus. Tinnitus is a frustrating condition to deal with, mainly because the sound seems to keep going on and on with no end in sight. This problem can range from a gentle buzzing to an overwhelming piercing sound, but most people want to get some relief. Rather than reaching for the eardrops, consumers should look into a new supplement called Ring Hush. Ring Hush was developed by a team that wanted to help relieve this pain and frustration with a natural remedy. No one should have to constantly deal with this constant ringing, leading them to feel like they are slowly going crazy. The formula rejuvenates the user's sense of hearing, condensed into an entirely safe capsule. Users don't have to take part in a restrictive diet to support their healing. The formula is even safe for individuals with diabetes. So far, there have already been over 78,000 people who have found relief with Ring Hush. Still, the relief isn't exclusive to tinnitus. Instead, consumers will also find that these ingredients are an incredible source of support for brain cells, reducing the risk of developing memory-related diseases. If you would like to know more about the Ring Hush tinnitus supplement, click on the discounted link below in the description below. How does Ring Hush really work against tinnitus? Most people consider that their tinnitus is because of some damage to their ears. Others are of the view that the ringing noise in your hearing organs comes from damage that has been caused to the brain. However, according to the Ring Hush official website, neither of these are the reason behind tinnitus and hearing loss. In fact, if you are experiencing symptoms, such as memory loss and mood swings along with these two issues, perhaps bacteria in your mouth could be the cause behind it all. Shocking? No? Basically, the presence of a particular kind of bacteria in your mouth emits certain toxins that travel to your central nervous system, cross the blood-brain barrier, and disrupt nerve activity. So, when your brain is impacted leading to tinnitus, the main reason behind this is mostly the bacteria in your mouth. In such circumstances, Ring Hush clears out the harmful bacteria in your mouth that is causing a disturbance in nerve functionality and hence, making you a victim of tinnitus, hearing loss, and brain damage. The ingredients in this product have been added in the correct amounts to ensure that it works effectively. This blend of natural Ring Hush ingredients is likely better than the conventional drug that can solve all the symptoms but at the cost of your health. On the flip side, Ring Hush can significantly improve your condition in safely. The 5-step mechanism of Ring Hush tinnitus pills. Not doing anything about this deadly combination of ear symptoms, hearing loss, tinnitus, and brain damage, can lead to the development of brain diseases such as dementia. This is why it is very necessary to be quick with taking steps for improving your health with Ring Hush. The Ring Hush supplement adopts the following 5 steps to help users get rid of the hearing symptoms. Step 1. Toxin is destroyed. As mentioned above, the root cause of your condition is a toxic substance coming from bacteria that slowly but surely damages nerve cells in your brain. In this manner, it also harms your auditory system and leads to the ringing noise in your ears that doesn't even let you sleep properly. Hence, the first job of the Ring Hush tinnitus formula is to help put an end to this toxin by using a powerful blend of naturally available nutrients. Step 2. Tinnitus is finished off. Once the harmful toxin is put an end to, your synapses start healing. The strength of your nerve cells begins to improve, and your neural networks can finally get rejuvenated. For this purpose, a mix of superfoods is needed that can be provided by Ring Hush pills. Step 3. The brain is sharpened. Once your ear health improves, the Ring Hush supplement works towards sharpening your brain and improving your memory. For this purpose, herbal agents are used for making your memory clearer and better. Age-related memory loss can also be combated with this product. Step 4. Health is protected. Ring Hush tinnitus capsules can not only target and solve your problem at hand but also work on ensuring that it doesn't revisit. For this purpose, it makes use of superfoods that protect your health from hearing loss and diseases related to the brain. Even those who have a neural disease already can expect betterment in their brain functionality. Step 5. Well-being is improved. Ring Hush works on giving your entire health a boost. As you find relief from tinnitus, you can notice that your mind has quietened and you're better able to relax and sleep. Natural ingredients in the formula can also reduce the risk of several unrelated health problems such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol. Pricing and refund of Ring Hush. Ring Hush is retailing at $69 per 30-day bottle. Individuals are required to take at least 2 pills each day. While this may seem a bit expensive, it's not only worth it, but it's also cheaper than the thousands of dollars you would have spent on therapies, many of which will prove useless. The basic package, you can buy a bottle of Ring Hush for just $69. The standard package, you can buy 3 bottles of Ring Hush for just $59 per bottle. The premium package, you can buy 6 bottles of Ring Hush for just $49 per bottle. Should I buy Ring Hush? Ring Hush provides a unique opportunity to consumers to completely get rid of the ringing associated with tinnitus. It targets the connections in the brain that seem to be misfiring, causing the tinnitus to occur in the first place. While this is not a replacement for medical attention for an injury, users can take this supplement to improve their brain's health, eliminating the damage to the neurons. With the proprietary blend, each ingredient contributes to the healing process with only 2 capsules each day. Even if users find that this formula doesn't help them, they have 2 months to return it. You can get the discounted link for the official site in the description below. Please like, comment, and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel.